Hi, I want to introduce my new windings add-in for Fusion 360. Here you see some examples, what it does. You see on the right side the settings, and different settings make different objects. The settings are something to play around, and you can see if you, for example, put in some waste, the object gets wasted, and if you put a minus into the waste, it gets rounded. So you can see you can make plates, vases and spools and so on. So let's go into the Fusion 360 program. It's a nice 3D program and it's free for not commercial use. Here you find under Tools the add-ins, and we want to have a new add-in that we can buy on Fusion 360 App Store. Here you give in windings and download the software. So you will find it in your download files, and it's packed, it's zipped. So click with the right mouse button and de-zip it. So it's not zipped anymore here. You go back to Fusion 360, and in the add-ins you go to Script and Add-ins, and here into the add-ins folder, and on the plus. Now you search for your download folder. Here you find the depacked add-in, and you copy it into the add-ins folder of Fusion 360. Now it's here. You click OK, and here you find it. We can start it with Run. Now nothing happens because we have to go to Solid and create windings. Now it's here, and as you see, the windings are just shown as a line. If you calculate windings, then you see the outcome, and it's better to calculate at the end of your setting progress, because winding calculation needs time. So we set it off, and here we can change our settings. For example, give some waste. Now the object changes, and we can take another wire shape, for example rope, and then we put in calculation. Now it needs time, and that's our output. So press OK, and you'll see it needs time, and then you get your object on a new folder, and you have here the windings, bodies of windings. You can switch them off or on. You see now the windings are gone. Now there's just one winding, and you have an extra folder for the wall. You can switch it off. Now you have no wall, and here are the windings of the circles around. Okay, that's all. Have a nice time with my add-in.